People see the cafe today, but nobody saw how this actually started. There was no perfect plan, no guarantee that it would work, and definitely no handbook telling us what to do next. Just a dream, more mistakes that we can count on, and the conviction that if we kept going the same way, something meaningful would definitely come out of it. Some days are exciting, some days are incredibly difficult. There were moments when things didn't go as planned, when we questioned ourselves, and when giving up felt easier. But every challenge taught us something. Every customer who walked through the doors gave us another reason to keep going. Today, Pattam is more than just a cafe. It's a story of passion, persistence, and people who believed in us before we believed in ourselves. And honestly, we are still learning, we are still growing, but that's the beauty of the journey. For years, we have grown up with these flavors comforting, authentic, and deeply rooted in tradition. But somewhere along the way, we felt the stories behind these dishes were often left untold. Every recipe carries a legacy, every ingredient has a purpose, every meal is connected to memories, culture, and people around. We wanted to create a space where South Indian cuisine could be experienced differently, not by changing its essence, but by celebrating it with attention and respect it deserves. There were days when we questioned everything, days when we wondered if we were doing the right thing at all, but somehow we kept showing up. And looking back, those difficult days became the foundation of everything Pattam is today. Because the journey was never about glamour, it was about grit, resilience, and having the courage to keep going when nobody else could see the vision yet. It's not always exciting, it's not always glamorous. Some days bring wins, others bring setbacks you never saw coming. And in between, there's a constant mix of conviction and uncertainty. Because every single brand people admire today was built through moments nobody applauded, struggles nobody saw, and faith that refused to give up. We are still learning, we are still making mistakes, still figuring out things one day at a time. There is so much more we want to build. So many ideas are yet to come alive, and so many milestones still ahead of us. What you see today isn't the destination, it's the first chapter of a much bigger journey. Every challenge is teaching us something, every setback is shaping us, every small win is pushing us forward. And if there is one thing that this journey has taught us, it's that progress matters more than perfection. And we are only getting started.